Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making the salted beef guys. I have everything ready. And right now I'm going to add some oil. I'm going to saute the garlic first. And now I'm going to saute the red onion first. Now I'm going to saute the beef. And now I'm going to add some soy sauce guys. You can add like a tablespoon of soy sauce. Going to add some salt. And this is black pepper guys. And I'm going to add some black pepper. Add a teaspoon of sesame oil. Add some coriander guys. You can add like a teaspoon of coriander and half teaspoon of beef flavor. Going to mix it. Now I'm going to put all the spices on the beef guys. And I'm going to add some celery guys. I'm going to add some bell pepper too. All done guys. It's cooked already. And now I'm going to put all of them on the plate. I'm going to eat with the rice guys. Let me get some. I love to eat rice guys. I'm going to try first right now. It tastes really delicious guys. Thank you guys for watching and have a good night everyone. Bye.